I have 3 ways that you can use a ring light in your photography. Coming up. Hey, this is Scott Weidenkivowitz, a storyteller with a camera, talking about all the things photographers like you and I are thinking about. In this video, we're going to talk about ring lights and how they can really have an impact on your photography. I use a ring light whenever I am recording a video at my desk. I don't typically use it here in this set for this type of video. Ring lights can be really great for creating just beautiful light on your face and not really letting it bleed outside of your face and letting your camera sit inside of it. So this is a ring light. Now this is not a video constant light ring light. This is actually one from Rayflash. I've had this for years. I have the Orbis one, which is another brand that's similar to this. You know, to be honest, I haven't used this one in so long. I broke it and had to tape it up with gaffer's tape, and that's been holding. It fits my SB800 flashes from Nikon. It does not fit flashes that are bigger than that, so I really haven't been able to use this in a long time. Now, but this is a ring light. Basically, the flash goes in here, and it illuminates the ring here. There are many types of ring lights. Like I said, I have a LED version that I use for at my desk when I'm doing videos at the desk. There are also ones from Alien Bee and Profoto and so many that it's basically this is fully powered and there's a light bulb inside to actually do the flash. But for this sake, I want to just show you with this small one what you would do. Now basically what would happen is you would take this and you would stick it in front of your lens. You wouldn't even see it. And the beautiful thing is that now the light is coming from in front of the lens or on the side of the lens, and the lens is not seeing it at all. So the first way that you can use a ring light is the actual way it's intended. Putting it on the side of the lens and letting it illuminate your face. This is the most common use for a ring light because that's how it's intended. The problem with this, which is one of the reasons why I don't like using it right here, it's actually one of the reasons why you see the reflection of my light I am using in my glasses, is that glasses pick up pretty much every reflection, even with anti-reflecting coating. And depending on how your set is and the angles and whatnot, you can get rid of the reflection, or sometimes you just can't. In this case, I've removed it as much as possible with the confinements that I am in. Now, if you have a ring light, you are basically seeing the ring light around your eyes in your glasses, in the lenses of your glasses. You're seeing that pretty much 100% of the time, no matter what. If you don't wear glasses, it's perfect and you get beautiful catch lights in your eyes. The second way to use a ring light is to literally use it as a hair light up and out of the way. Just like that. If you are firing that light at the back of your subject's head, it's going to create a nice hair light around your subject's head and not overdo it, because ring lights really tend to not overdo light. Again, it's very confined to the straight circular shape due to the nature of how these are made. So if you are putting it as a hair light, you're literally getting the light where you place it. Now, if you're using it as a hair light, you probably need a good amount of power to get it out of here, because these are really... Normally I wouldn't pump up the power through these, but you really can if you want to. So if you're using it as a hair light, you might want to bump up the power. The third way that you can use a ring light is actually as a background. You can place it right behind, place your subject so their head is sort of in front, like so, and now typically you want to use a bigger ring light than what this one is. You can place your subject in front of it, and then what you would see in the end is a circular illuminated background with black behind it in theory, or something really dark behind it. So for example, my backdrop would just be very dark wood pattern. You'd see then the ring light, which you can gel if you want, and so you can make it a certain color, and then your subject in front of it, which you then have to illuminate your subject as well. So you can use this as a background. Now again, I typically don't use a ring light other than the standard, put it in front of your subject and put your lens through it, and that's about it. And I use that mostly for my video tutorials at the desk for when I record podcast episodes and things like that. So I don't have a ton of examples to show other ways, but I thought that I would try to inspire you to think outside the box if you are looking for new things and you have a ring light that you can experiment with. Please give it a try. Try using it as a hair light, try using it as a background, and just push yourself to your limits and see what you can come up with. By the way, every piece of equipment that I own, whenever possible, I get a Mac Worldwide Extended Warranty on. And I do that for sort of peace of mind. If I drop it, if I get caught in the rain, it is fully covered. They will replace it as needed. Check out Mac Worldwide Warranty, available at basically most electronic and camera retailers around the world. If you like this video, click that subscribe button below now. I publish new videos every Monday and Thursday, whenever possible. You don't want to miss it.